Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to limit unwanted comments and messages on Instagram. Please subscribe if you didn't and let's get started. First, open Instagram app, then click on the three lines up right, then go to your settings, then click on privacy, and then click here on limits. It is turned off. So if you want to limit accounts that aren't following you and recent followers, you just have to come here and turn it on to limit them, and it is turned on. So again, if you don't want to limit unwanted comments and messages, you just click here again and turn it off, and that's it. So thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you're new, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.